Normal English vs Advanced English. 30 everyday phrases upgraded to Advanced English. Let's get started. I'm very happy. I'm over the moon. I'm very busy. I'm swamped. Sorry, I fell asleep. Sorry, I nodded off. Stop wasting time. Stop faffing around. Keep it a secret. Keep it under wraps. How are you? How's it going? I'm a bit busy. I'm a bit tied up. Are you mad? Are you out of your mind? It's time to study. It's time to hit the books. I like you a lot. I'm so into you. Leave me alone. Give me a break. I'm eating food. I'm having a meal. It's cold outside. It's freezing out there. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. I understand. I get it. I'm scared. I'm terrified. I'm going to try. I'm going to give it a shot. I'm hungry. I'm starving. You're wrong. You're mistaken. I'm excited. I'm thrilled. It's easy. It's a piece of cake. I'm leaving. I'm heading out. Let's talk later. Let's catch up later. It's expensive. It's overpriced. I need help. I require assistance. That's interesting. That's fascinating. It's dangerous. It's hazardous. I want to go. I wish to leave. You're being silly. You're being ridiculous. I'm happy to help. I'm glad to assist. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.